Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to lock application on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, many applications contain personal and sensitive information such as emails, message, social media accounts, banking apps, and photo galleries. Okay, and learn how to lock it on this device. Let's go to the tutorial. To lock the application on your device, here you need an additional application. Okay, and then you have to install AppLock Pro application on the Play Store. Well, after that, here you can open it after installation. And then you can directly set a PIN at least 6 digits. Okay, and then you can verification the PIN. Okay, and then select the application you want to lock. After that, you can check it. Okay, and then the application on your device is successfully locked. Last, if you want to unlock the application, you can open AppLock Pro, and then you can enter a PIN, and you can select this section, and then you can click on the application you want to unlock. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to lock application on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.